Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make a tuna macaroni salad. Perfect for these spring and summer days ahead. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of dried elbow pasta, 1 cup of thinly sliced celery, or if you'd like to dice it, you may, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a Himalayan salt, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced green onions, or some of you in the world will know these as spring onions, 2 tablespoons of diced pimientos, 1 4 to 7 ounce can of tuna in water, 3/4 cups of mayonnaise. If you want to substitute this for Miracle Whip or a Greek yogurt, you be my guest, 1/4 cup of diced green bell pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. Cook your pasta according to package label. When it's back to a roaring boil, we're going to time it for 7 minutes, so use your timer. To drain my liquid off my tuna, I use the top of the can that I removed and add a little pressure to it and drain all the liquid off before you add it to your tuna macaroni salad. That's perfect. You can set this off to the side. Discard your tuna liquid. Add all your mayonnaise into a large mixing bowl. I love using a spatula. It gets all that in there. The salt, the black pepper, and we're going to give these a lovely little stirring. If you have a whisk, you can use that too. We just want to incorporate the salt and the pepper throughout our mayonnaise. And again, if you don't want to use a mayonnaise, which I'm using today, you can use a Greek yogurt, a plain Greek yogurt, or you can use a Miracle Whip. Back to the pasta. 7 minutes are up and our pasta has cooked. Using a colander, I've drained off the water from my pasta. Let your pasta cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, add your tuna in with your mayonnaise. Ooh, and make sure you break it up as you go. But as you stir it, it'll do the same thing. I love using a fork because I want to get all my tuna out of this can. Add your celery, your green bell peppers, your pimientos, and we're going to incorporate this with our mayonnaise, salt, and pepper mixture. Now, if you don't want to add the salt to your mayo, no problem. You can leave it out. That's just optional. But the pepper really gives it some lovely flavor. Add all your cold pasta at once. It's still slightly warm. And we're going to incorporate the mayonnaise and the celery and the pimientos in with our pasta. And at this time, you probably want to add your green onions. Keep tossing and turning till our pasta is well coated with our mayonnaise mixture. It smells so good. And as you can see, it really breaks down that tuna and you really don't even know it's in there. This is ready to serve. You can cover this and refrigerate it overnight. The next day, it's going to be fabulous with flavor. I'm thinking of barbecues or even a picnic. I'm going to taste informally. Wow. That celery's so nice and fresh. The tuna, the pasta, perfect amount of green onions. You're not going to be disappointed with this tuna macaroni salad. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Stay safe. By the way, I like to garnish with some freshly sliced green onions. Enjoy, and I'll catch you lovely people later.